What is happening, people? Okay, so this is going to be the final stream of the London session, 21st of July. Indexes are still not done what I want them to do, so we are waiting on that. Waiting there. FX, you can see now 6B started pushing down from that level. I'm bearish on the higher time frame profile, right? So I'm looking for a short situation with 6S did trade below previous day's low, right? So we've come up and hit the daily mean reversion on 6B and 6E, right? So SMT were good for 50%. It's either full reversal or we get 50%, right? So we've cancelled Q standard deviation there. New candle coming out. We haven't got a wick, so we could start breaking this down onto the 15-minute. Wick below, close above. Right, if we were to trade the 15-minute, we need the first 15-minute bar to form. Okay, so I'm just going to mark out now the high and low of this candle, because we're going to use that. Got an 8 AM range formed. All right, so I'm marking out the high and low. We already know that it's hit a daily mean reversal. I'm just going to put the mean in here as well, so we can see lower time frame mean reversal. Right, that's the 1 hour range high and low, and I'm taking 50% of that, or the mean of that. I will still need a 15-minute bar to come in, right? Because I'm going to wait for this to form accumulation, manipulation above, if we're going to sell that back down. Or is it just going to be one of them mornings where it's just been fucking shit? What have we got news-wise this week? Is that why it's being shit? Pound CPI tomorrow. So we have got, I'm on investing.com at the moment, just looking at, see if any, I think the market's kind of priced in the fact that Iran and the US are at war. Right, get rid of that. Slow morning for us so far. Just gone over 4 minutes past 9 UK time. I'm in Spain, so I'm an hour ahead, but get rid of that daily mean reversal. I must not have marked that out for some reason. Put that lower time frame. Mean level in. Yeah, so we're getting rejection. I'm waiting for the 15-minute now to form something, then probably go up and hopefully go up into this level, and then we can take a short. Still targeted down here. 6B, yeah, 6B seems to be the weaker asset. So we're going to watch this for any potential sequential SMT that comes first, right? So if we start taking previous day's low on 6B and we're in a trade here, then I'm going to look to cut this position because we could see that's a reversal signal. Even though 6S has already taken that liquidity point, there's still going to be liquidity resting below this low. Because if we look at the higher time frame, sell above old highs, right? So where we draw into these lows here on a daily time frame. Pound is slightly stronger at the moment, but we've still got this like 3 candle bearish model here intact. I mean, we've played it here. Could be our draw of liquidity below this low here. But if we get down to that, we're going to take this low here. Anyway, we've got that is efficient slightly. Mark that key level in. I mean, Monday did move, so maybe we're expecting accumulation today and we're just going to move around in a small range, and then Wednesday we get the distribution, or the manipulation, sorry. AMD. So Wednesday could be the day. But like I say, this is an efficient leg up to here, so we're tapping into this last presented fair value gap of this leg. It also matches up with a daily mean reversal. So that's the reason why I was trying to short. We're in a Q standard deviation box here as well. And 9 AM is often the time for a reversal. 0909. Yeah. Well, none of the assets have swept the low, which is promising. It's going to be liquidity within these wicks. Got 5 minutes now to the end of the 15-minute bar. Looks like we're do. Just want to see when the next microcycle's in. Do. This is a good sign that 6B is reaching up here. If this is a pullback, and we are going to continue on down, this is what I really want to see. Two of the assets in that lower time frame, 50% of the 1 hour range, previous 1 hour range. Do. Whoa, excuse me. Still getting back into the swing of things. Right, we have got 40 seconds till the end of this 15-minute candle. We've got this equal highs built up here, you can see on the 15-minute. This and this, that'll probably be swept, more than likely. Crash up into that zone. Still need a microcycle though. So if 6E and 6B do start to get up above this high here, to take wick above, close below, we might cancel out the 15-minute there. Cancel out the microcycle, sorry. Okay, so new 15-minute bars come out. I don't know why it lags on this, it's fucking ridiculous. Stupid. Trading view is not the best, honestly, it's not the best. Like, look at the lag on that. It's nothing to do with my internet either, because the other two are working perfectly fine. Still not catching up. This is not good for the CRT theory here. Open, low, high, close, right? So we're going to go down, take the low, and then we're going to go up. In theory. Do 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 do. Yeah, I mean, this is we've got this low in here. If we start taking out some of this sell side liquidity, then we're just fueling the move to go back up, right? So I'm not really interested. We've got no upper wick, granted. What's the first candle done? Yeah, so the first candle, we stayed within a range. Okay, so now we're getting some buyers come in. 2 minutes into the bar. It's all just a little bit of a fucking mess, I think. Do 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 do. We'll see if 6E gets above that. Just going to set a little alert. Maybe we might just take that high, then come back down. Still got a micro. If I enter anything here, it's not going to be a lot of risk. Maybe half a risk or something. Don't really favour because we've got a lot of liquidity above these highs here, and we've still got some inefficient price action there, right? So we've partly filled that, so we could go up a bit higher. Okay, so now we broke that high. Now we broke that high, we've smashed into that. This doesn't look like it's coming back down. I don't think I'm buying it. We've still got SMT. Wick above on the monthly, minute. We are a little bit, however, we are a little bit higher up in the range. Let's see if we get a precision swing point. I'm going to, like I say, I'm not going to use a lot of risk here. Hello?
Ready?
You going?
Yeah.
Do-do-do-do. I'm just going to stop the stream there, guys.